In this video, we are going to understand how to use Motive AI in live market conditions. Okay, so instead of just theory, I will show you how Motive actually works in real time and how it changes and how we can use it to take trading decisions. We will observe the market step by step, understand what Motive indicates, and based on that, I will show you how I take trades using Motive AI. This will give you a clear idea of how to apply this concept practically, not just understand it theoretically. Now let's move ahead and go to the historical data and see how the market actually moved during live conditions. Now let's select the date 17, okay, here in both historical option chain and in candle chart also. Okay, so we will start it from 9:35 a.m. Okay, moving forward. All right. Moving forward, minute by minute to observe how the market behaved. To keep the chart clean and easy to understand, we will remove all the unnecessary lines and keep only the AI based. Only the motive AI level lines I had put. I had removed the SR levels also and average levels also, and these all levels I had removed from the chart to understand the motive AI clearly. All right. So this will give you the clarity and we can clearly observe whether the market is actually moving according to the motive AI scenarios. All right. Okay. Now, as soon as we move to the 9:36 a.m., we can observe that left-right indicator on the call side here. We can see high with an downward arrow and put side motive with an upward arrow. Okay, so from this combination, we can understand that the market is indicating a sideways condition. To confirm this, we can go to the notification section here. Okay, so and check the LOC Motive AI. So in the Motive AI scenario image, in that image under the sideways condition, the column third scenario here, the third scenario shows the exact same structure, high with an downward direction and motive with an upward direction. Okay, this signal mentions the range, which is clearly indicates the consolidate or sideways market. Okay, so now let's move forward by a couple of minutes and observe the changes as we reach around 9:40. Okay, here we can see that on call side it shows motive with an upward and on put side it shows also low with an upward arrow. Again to confirm this, we can again refer to the motive AI scenario in the notification panel. Here in the bullish condition, the first scenario is motive with an upward and low with an upward. The signal indicates the bullish condition. All right. Now let's move a little further and observe the market reacts. What we are looking is what we are looking for is whether the motive AI low at the market price align at the same level. Okay, and whether the market gives a closing above that level and whether the market gives close above that and low starts moving upwards. Okay, right? So as we reach around the 9:45, 9:45 or 9:46 a.m. here, you can see clearly that the market has given a closing above the motive AI low. Okay, so from this point, we can consider to take a bullish trade. All right, so this level is around 23,500. okay, support zone, which is also acting as an average level. At the same time, it matches with the AI low. This confluence gave us a strong indication that buying can be initiated from this level. Now, if the motive continues to move upward, we can hold trade for longer. Here, motive is given 23,585. Okay, from here you are buying. Okay, from here the motive low, AI low, you are buying your trade, and up to you are holding to 23,580 85. Okay, so now let's keep moving forward step by step and observe how far we can trail this trade. All right. As we can clearly see that the motive high is continuously shifting upward. At the same time, the motive low is also shifting upward. Okay. This indicates that the market structure is strongly bullish and there is no sign of weakness yet. If you want, you can observe the motive up to 3 minutes. Okay. So, in this situation, instead of exiting early, we will continue to hold our trade. We will stay in the trade as long as our trailing stop loss is not hit. This way, we will allow the trade to run with the trend and capture the maximum possible move. All right. So, now we move ahead and see here what is showing low upward and motive is also on upward. That means the market is still in bullish. AI motive is showing you that the market is still in bullish. Okay, so moving forward and watching the market here, see you can see how the motive AI works. All right, around the time 10:28 a.m. we can observe that the market is starting to reverse. At this point, instead of holding the position further, we will exit the trade using our trailing stop loss and book the profit. This is important because once the structure starts changing, all right, because once the structure starts changing, it is better to secure the gains rather than risk giving them back. All right. See, firstly, what the motive I was showing the level of, I think around as we watched 585. The motive was 585. The market has reached on that level around 584 and 585 something. Okay. So we achieve this target by using Motive AI tool. Okay. After exiting, we will wait for Motive to update again. If a new opportunity forms, either the market moves, either the market shows a bullish combination continuation or a new setup develops. Okay, then we will plan the next trade accordingly. This is how we use Motive AI practically in live market conditions by entering the right level, holding with structure, and exiting with the discipline. Okay, if see the one thing is that you will say you will say that you are taking the trade too early. If you want to take the trade from the motive AI levels, if the motive is changing, for suppose firstly in the morning the motive was in consolidation, and after that the motive you see it is in a bullish condition, so for the confirmation, you can also wait for the 3 minutes. Okay, if for the 3 minutes you have to wait, and you also check here in the moting shifting. Okay, by this you can get a confirmation that market is in a bullish condition. All right, so that's it for today's video. We will continue and discuss more in the next video. Till then, keep trading, but make sure to avoid over trading and stay disciplined. Okay? So, see you in the next video. Thank you.